guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna show how to install Optimum 10 Pro on your old low-end PC that doesn't work Windows 10. So this is the Lite version of the Windows 10. Today we're gonna show how to install Windows Optimum Lite so you can work easily on Windows. So first of all, go to this website windowslite.com OTAM 10 Pro. Then you have to click on this newest link. This is the latest one. This is the newest one, Pro version 5. You have to click on this link. Now go down there. You said, look at this. It will give you the builder information. 4.6 GB a file installed size. Optional Windows Defender. Yes guys, you can there's the optional Windows Defender if you want to offer on by yourself. Virtual memory is enabled by default at Y. Install, you have see yourself. I give this link in the description below, so you have to scroll down. You have to see a download link. Click on that download link. Now you see it's a 2. I don't know what is happening, guys. So you have to click on download, then your file has been downloaded. So I already downloaded this file. So now what you have to do is extract the file on disk. Now download Rufus. I already downloaded the Rufus app. You have to click on this Rufus and you have to press yes. Then it's gonna say Rufus update policy. You have to yes this option. Now you have to install you have to make a bootable drive on your pen drive. So select 32 GB, which pen drive you have, select that. Now select img file that I installed. I put it on disk, so maybe you can't select it, so like you put direct on that. So you have to click on this thing. Now you have a check for updates Rufus here. You have to close this. So you have to go to standard Windows installation. So click on GPT UEFI, then you have to click start. So I'm gonna show you how to install that. So